Okusaba kwa buli lwakubiri okuteekebwa bannakibiina kya FDC n'erero okugenza maaso wansi w'omulamwa ogwa Free My Vote campaign n'ekigendere eky'okulaga obutali mativu mu byava mu kulonda muno okuleka omuntu waabwe yali yeesibye okuba pulezidenti mu kulonda okwakagalikiradde kan Dr. Kizza Besigye yeetaaye.
Watch them, Lord, how they are using guns against the people. Watch them, Lord, as people have been killed in Kasese. Lord, there are mass graves in these places. Lord, watch them. Lord.
We commit all leaders. We commit all those who are distressed. We commit everybody, my God. Because you say you came, you not give us the spirit of fear. You remove the fear, the cowardness, pretense, corruption, all the wickedness. Are you prepared to tell them to let your people go, my God?
Bannakibiina kya FDC nga bakolemeddwa musenkagali w'ekibiina Mugisha Muntu ssentebe w'ekibiina ambassador wasabirirwa n'abalala beetabye mu kusaba ku nkubali ku kitebe kya FDC e Najjanankombi.
Whether you're a leadership, whether you're a canon, whether you're what, but if you put your head in the sand as a kind of ostrich, you will not even be able to read the prayers at Nakasero. You will not read the prayers in that cathedral when things go wrong. And we shall be answered upon the judgment day, because we are the watchtowers. We are the ones to alert.
Gwetabiddwako bannaddiini ab'enjawulo abakulemeddwamu Bishop Zack Niringi nga bano basabidde eggwanga wamu ne bannayuganda okwegyamu okutya.
Jesus was revealed that he may bring justice to victory. Anyone who does not stand for justice stands against God.
You read Exodus when you go back, when the children of Israel were being sent to go back. Pharaoh was hard-hearted. Miracles were performed, says no. People vote, they change things. By the way, because what I want to thank FDC, because you have decided to put your issues to God.
Bano basabye era ne balaga n'ennyiriri mu Bayibuli ezibakkiriza okukanya abakulembeze abatokola ebikolo bya Katonda.
Muyuze emitima gyammwe so si byambalira. Mujjukire Mukama Katonda wammwe kubanga wakisa era ajjudde okusaasira. So sacrifice, because the journey to salvation is not easy. Deny yourselves. Whether you move at night, whether they take us you, whether they train you without what, whether they turn your home into whatever they want to do, this is a sacrifice.
Now, Lord, please, Lord, consider their threats and enable your servants to speak your word with great boldness.
Bali era basabidde abakulembeze ba FDC ne bannakibiina abali mu lulime ne muluzize.
You either be cold or hot. We don't want kabogumirize. Choose. Because God is democratic. He gives you a chance to choose what you be, not causing confusion. Have you had what was done and reporting because this is a sacrifice, one man.
Joseph Setimba yakusakidde Green ku Lwabukedde TV.